So we decided to open at a place that is unique, a place that you can't find anywhere else. It's exclusive. It's fancy. It's the kind of place where you feel special just for knowing it exists.
And the entry fee? Only $150 just to walk through the door. I mean, quality has a price, right?
But hey, who's counting? Certainly not us. We're too busy sleeping on our cash bed.
For those who can't afford it, we offer a virtual tour. It's exactly like being there, but without the smell.
It's a bargain. Trust me, once you see what's inside, you'll want to pay double just to leave.